How to trim videos on CapCut application. Are guys facing issues to trim videos on CapCut app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download CapCut, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open the app, now select the project that you want to trim off. Once you open the project, now look at the timeline, click on the video. After you click on video, look at the side of the video, whether it's right or left side, just drag it. As soon as you drag it, your video will start to trim. Just apply this on each and every video clips, and that's it guys. That's how we're gonna trim videos on CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.